I'm malicious, mean and scary. My sneer could curdle dairy. And violence-wise, my hands are not the cleanest. But despite my evil look and my temper and my hook, I've always yearned to be a concert pianist. Can't you see me on the stage performing Mozart? Tickling the iframes till they clear. Yes, I'd rather be called deadly for my killer show tune medley. Thank you, cause way down deep inside I've got a dream.
He's got a dream, he's got a dream.
See, I ain't as cruel and vicious as I seem. Though I do like breaking femurs, you can count me with the dreamers. Like everybody else, I've got a dream.
La 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 la.
I've got scars and lumps and bruises, but it's something here that oozes. And let's not even mention my complexion. But despite my extra toes and my gorger and my nose, I really wanna make a love connection. Can't you see me with this special little lady, rowing in a rowboat down the stream? Though I'm one disgusting biter, I'm a lover, not a fighter. Cause way down deep inside, I've got a dream. I've got a dream.
He's got a dream.
I've got a dream.
He's got a dream.
And I know one day romance will reign supreme. Though my face is lethal screaming, there's a child behind it dreaming. Like everybody else, I've got a dream. Thor would like to quit and be a florist.
Gunther does interior design.
Ulf is into my
Attila's cupcakes are sublime.
Bruiser knits killer stones, and does little pocket
And
shows.
Vladimir collects ceramic unicorns.
I've dreams like you know, really. Just much less touchy-feely. They mainly happen somewhere warm and sunny. On an island that I own, tan and rested and alone. Surrounded by enormous piles of money.
I've got a dream.
She's got a dream.
I've got a dream.
She's got a dream.
I just wanna see the floating lanterns gleam. And with every passing hour, I'm so glad I left my tower. Like all you lovely folks, I've got a dream.
She's got a dream. They've got a dream. They've got a dream. So our differences they really are extreme. We're one big team.
Caught us brutal, sick, sadistic, and grotesquely optimistic. Cause way down deep inside we've got a dream.
I got a dream.
I've got a dream. I've got a dream. I've got a dream. I've got a dream.
Yes, way down deep inside, I've got a dream.